Welcome to Talagon Equestrian Centre. My name is Christine Rogers. I am a coach with Talagon Vaulters and this is our club. Talagon Equestrian Centre is, as it says, it's an equestrian centre which is a riding school. We teach quite a number of children and adults to ride from beginner right through to advanced levels. We hold a lot of competitions, and aside from that we also run a vaulting club called Talagon Vaulters from the centre. Vaulting is gymnastics on horseback. So basically the horse is controlled by a lunger, who is a person standing in the middle of the circle, while the vaulter performs gymnastic movements on the back of the horse. To be a good vaulter you need to have a good level of fitness, a good body shape, a good flexibility and core strength.
I really enjoy vaulting because I used to do a lot of gymnastics when I was a kid, and I've also ridden horses for years, so it seemed like a great idea to join the two. It's a really good fun sport. It's a good team sport as well as an individual sport as well.
I love vaulting because horses are my favourite animal and it's fun.
I love vaulting because I've made loads of friends and I get to compete.
I love vaulting because it builds my confidence and I get to compete.
I love vaulting because it's a unique sport.
Over the past couple of years, RCT have been a tremendous support to the club. They've helped us with funding for equipment, for cat suits for the vaulters. We do quite a bit of fundraising ourselves, but to be honest, without the support we've received from RCT, we wouldn't be able to have got as far as we've got.